Hello, I am excited to introduce you to HPL Discovery, a STEM-based bi-monthly discovery kit. Here is an HPL Discovery kit. In this, you will find all the materials you need to make an abacus and the instructions for making it and some other fun activities for you to do. Let us look at the abacus that you will be able to make with the supplies that are included in the HPL Discovery Kit. Here is the abacus. It has 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the bottommost row will be the ones or the units, which are numbers from 0 to 9. The next row is the tens, the numbers from 10 to 90. The third row is the hundreds, the numbers from 100 to 900. And the fourth row is the thousands, 1000 to 9000. Okay, so the way the abacus works is that any bead that is touching the center is the number you have on the abacus. So if I wanted to say 1 on the abacus, then I would move this bottommost 1 bead to the center. So this is the only bead that's touching the center, and so this is 1. Now, what about 2? I'd move another bead here. Now 3, and that's 4. Well, that's all we have here. So how would we say 5? We would take away all of these 4 beads and have just this 1 bead that's on the left side of the abacus. Now this is the number 5 on the abacus. The single beads on the left side of the abacus are all multiples of 5. So this is 5, this is 50, this is 500, and this is 5000. So if I wanted to say 102, then I would have to go to the hundreds row and say 100, and then it's just 102. So there's nothing in the tens place. And then in the units place, there would be 2. So this number would be 102. To be able to do calculations and show numbers in a jiffy, it requires practice. Just like when you are typing or texting somebody, your fingers go automatically to the letters. This is because you have practiced typing and you know which letter is where in your muscle memory. Same way with the abacus. Here is one of the ways you can practice moving the beads on your abacus using your forefinger and your thumb. So the thumb moves the 4 beads that are on the right side up, and the forefinger moves them back down and moves this single bead on the left up and down. It's a simple rule to follow. So the thumb is used only to move the 4 beads on your right to the top. The forefinger moves all of the beads up, the single beads up and down, and the 4 beads back down. Same way with the other rows also. When you want to move them up, the 4 beads, use the thumb, and then when you want to move them back, use the forefinger. And when you want to move the single bead up and down, use the forefinger. All right, so now we know how to show numbers on the abacus, but as I said, you have to practice. So here's a challenge. You can pause this video if you've made your abacus already. You can pause this video and then practice on your abacus to show different numbers. And then come back for a challenge. My friends at the library also practiced using the abacus for 5 minutes. So the challenge is, can you show the numbers faster than them? Are you ready for the abacus number challenge? Show the numbers that are on the screen in your abacus. All right? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin. Sure. Yay! Okay, ready?
Ready? Okay.
Yay! Yeah!
Yay! Both of you are right.
Yay! Woo!
17.
Remember the
Okay, so
single
100
the single beads are
times 5. So
Yes.
that's 50, not 10. This one is 10. 10.
And how about the hundreds?
It is, oh gosh.
Wait, so
That's 500. So this is 100. And that's 10. And this is 5, 2 is 17. 117.
okay, right. Okay.
Awesome. Think about it.
Okay.
All right.
Did he get it?
237. Excellent.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
can you
too long.
move the 5 a little so it touches the center?
Yes.
Yes.
Yay! I'm happy for you.
Yay! Yes.
There.
Because that's the 5. Oh.
So I have
Say.
5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 300, 5,
300. 300. So where are you?
6, 7, 8.
I win!
Yay! So can
I
you show
missed
your
the zero
numbers?
and the
Yes. So it's 5,000, 6,000, 300. Skip the 50s or the 10s, and then 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome.
Yay!
If you have a picture of your abacus, And we would love to see a picture of your abacus. Tag it with hashtag HPL Discovery. Until the next kit.